Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good.
Hope I'm
Yes, sir. You're audible. Very good afternoon to all the respected participants and to Sahil sir. A warm welcome on this platform of learning. I hope yesterday's session was very, very insightful, wherein we learned on qualitative research, also on the downloading process, and sir has personally facilitated in the download of the N-vivo software. And today, without any further ado, over to you, sir, on the further process of handling the N-vivo software for qualitative analysis. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I can see 34 people are there, like 42. All right. Should we wait for 2-3 minutes? Let the people join in. In the meantime, I can take the queries, or if in case anyone facing any problem in downloading this question part also, I'm available for the same also. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. Let the people, let the student, the participant join, so that they should not miss upon any single step of.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes, fine. In the meantime, I'm open to any questions, any query related to not just this particular workshop or anything. If I can help in your research work or in publication or something like that. All right. How many of us are from management background here? Social sciences, humanities? Oh, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. 6. Right.
Yeah. Participants, either you can put your queries on the chat box, else you can unmute and ask it yourself.
Yeah,
Thank you.
both the ways I'm pretty comfortable. Like 7, 8, 6, 5. Education, that also be the part of fine. Okay, all those who belong to this particular fraternity must be looking for latest ABDC list. ABDC gonna share their latest updated list in December 2022 only. So everyone is waiting for the same. Let's wait. What gets changed and what are new changes in ABDC list and how ABS will follow that. So publication gonna more complex now. Chali. So total of us 48 of the. Let's wait for 50, 49, and then the moment it touches 50, we'll start with the day's proceedings. Okay, I hope everyone might have got all the papers and Word files too. Quick yes or no in chat box, guys. If you have received all the research papers as well as the transcripts, good. All right. In the meantime, people are joining, and let me show you one of the research paper, which is by Wiley. It's a B category journal, ABDC, and Scopus Institute journal, obviously. Is my screen visible to everyone? Is my screen visible? Not yet. Yeah. So here we have a paper in Psychology and Marketing, a well publication. It's a B category journal and very reputed journal. Negative brand co-creation in social media communities. Lettering approach using N-vivo. Guys, it's a wonderful paper to read out. And in this paper, look, the data collection was done from 100 biggest FMCG brand जिनका turnover कितना था, and just see what they have done in this. They have played with words and just see they have created a frequency analysis of most recurring words, and they made a word cloud, and they were able to publish this paper in a big category journal. I'll be sharing this paper also post this session. Okay, I guess we are good to go. Should we start, ma'am? Should we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's start day 2 of our discussion on how to use N-vivo, a software which is highly used in making good noise while playing with qualitative data. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Right. So whenever we start this particular software, this is how the welcome screen looks like. Here you can create new project. So here we see not the file, we say project. You can work with earlier existing projects also, and you can work with this way. Someone has shared a YouTube link. Okay. All right. No. So this is how it looks like. So we will create a new project. We will give a new name. Any name you want to give to that particular project. And create. Okay. This is how your welcome screen looks like for the N-vivo. I hope everyone is with me till now. One suggestion before I proceed further, guys, please speak it out. Do you want to do all the step along with me parallelly, or should I demonstrate one test and then you will repeat the steps? What do you want to do? How do you want to go ahead?
So step by step.
Step by step? Okay. So be with me, guys. I will not run away. आपने कल भी देखा होगा मुझे. I'm there to support anyone and everyone in one by one manner also. So if there's any query, any question, please speak up, because Google Meet me, I cannot see you while doing the project. So please speak up that I'm having this issue. I'll stop then and there only and help you out in doing the project. Is this fine? Are we good? Please say yes or no, because
Yes, please. Good.
good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So I hope everyone remember yesterday's presentation and the yesterday's model which we proposed, which we hypothesized, and which we exactly want to test. If not, this was a model. This was a hypothesized model, right? We were trying to understand the impact of or the role of online ad on the purchase intention. With expert and literature, we were able to figure out there are 4 basic dimensions, right? All right. So this is how your screen looks like. Basically divided into three subsets. One is your left hand side blue screen, which is known as the shortcuts, the top menu bar, just like your any MS Word file. All right. To work with any of the files, first of all we need to import. You import files in your SPSS also while doing any analysis, or you give the input, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's import those files. Let's click on import and just see. One is we can import a project. So someone else working on the project. I want to collaborate. I want to redo a project. Encapture. Tomorrow we'll work with encapture. Files. Hold file for a minute. Next is survey. You remember yesterday we were talking about survey monkey or text file, Excel file. We can directly connect. And the best part is you can connect with the
Bibliography.
reference managers.
Bibliography.
Yes, reference manager, so that you can directly connect with Cetavi, which is the own Cetavi, or Mendeley, EndNote, or Zotero RefWorks. So you can directly call those bibliography calls. So today we'll work with files. The moment you click upon files, windows pop up, and just see, guys. When I say this window open, can you see my mouse hovering on the supported files?
Yes, sir.
And when you click on, they just see what all type of document this particular software supports. It deals with your document file, which may be docs, RTF. It deals with your PDF. It deals with your audio, video, images, Outlook message. That means you can directly connect with your email box and others. So when we talk about PDF files, believe me, guys, there are two type of PDF files. One is true PDF file, and second type of files are scanned file or image file. We save them as a PDF file. तो जब हम PDF फाइल की बात करते हैं, एक तो होती है ट्रू PDF फाइल जिसको हम सेव करते हैं सेव एज PDF। एक होती है जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट को स्कैन कर लेते हैं और उसकी इमेज बन जाती है, उस इमेज को भी हम PDF सेव कर लेते हैं। So this particular software differentiates between true PDF and image PDF. Right? Is this okay? Are we clear on this? Okay. Chalo. Let's start with our thing. I'll click on file. ये सब फाइल आपको भेजी गई है। So मैंने क्या किया, इस पर्टिकुलर मॉडल को टेस्ट करने के लिए एक क्वेश्चनर बनाया, और आई होप आपको क्वेश्चनर याद होगा, हमने कल क्वेश्चन डिस्कस भी किया था। I'll redo the questionnaire. This was a questionnaire. You must remember. हमने कल बात किया था इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में। मैंने जनरली जस्ट इस पर्टिकुलर मॉडल को टेस्ट करने के लिए 5-6 लोगों का इंटरव्यू लिया, राइट? हाइपोथेटिकली आई आस्क्ड माय सम ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स टू फिल अप दिस फॉर्म, तो उन्होंने फॉर्म फिल कर दिया। एक थी खुशी, मितुषी, प्रखर, रजत, सर्वेवन एंड ट्विंकल। So these are 6 people, 6 respondents to my questionnaire. I just had a random questionnaire filled to check the test, to apply this particular software. So I select this file and click open and click on import. This is how your files are imported into the software. I hope everyone might have followed the steps, and this is how you can import the files. Has everyone done this?
Done, sir.
Everyone?
Sir, please.
Everyone done this? Should I repeat?
Sir, please wait a minute.
Yeah, I take a time. I'm not, that's what just take time. What you need to do is you need to go to files, select the file you want to play with, and click on open. And then click on import. The moment you click on import, you will see the file's name as well as date of import. If 50% of you are done with this, we can proceed further. Quickly say yes or no.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, rest, what about rest, guys? Only 3 done. Speak up, guys. Because in Google, this is not a Zoom platform where I can see what people are talking. In Google, I have to.
I'm unable to locate my file, that's all.
So you might have downloaded your file somewhere on your hard disk. Just
Yes.
browse to that particular platform, folder of. It may be on your desktop, or it may be on downloads, or you might have saved it somewhere in your folder.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Sherry, let's proceed further. Let me click on any other file. If I double click on any other file, just see, guys. I double clicked on a file named as Khushi. You might see for question number 1, Khushi has written certain answer. For question number 2, Khushi might have written something this. Question number 3, something. So she has answered for all the questions. Similarly, Mitushi has answered on certain questions. So whatever they feel like sharing, they have responded in their own way. Till this point, we need not to worry anything. We are just asking questions. We are interviewing someone, and someone is responding back us either on emails or we have transcribed the answers. At this point, are we good, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till this, okay. So you remember yesterday while having our discussion, I told you first type of QDA is content analysis, right? So we will start with content analysis first. What is content analysis? It is categorization and summarization of variables or the data we have. So what we will do is we will go to create, explore. We'll click on explore. Guys, please be with me. Click on word frequency. If you feel like this blue space is quite a big space, you can just close it up. Okay. I'll redo all the steps. I went to explore, click on word frequency, and I hope you guys might have reached this particular point. Is the same screen is on your systems also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anyone who's पीछे रह गए, left behind? All right. Good. Now, go to selected items. I repeat, click on selected items. Now it is asking us to whom we want to play with. किस फाइल के साथ हमें या किस फाइल के ऊपर हमें कंटेंट एनालिसिस करना है. I am saying I want to apply a content analysis on all the files. Click on
Okay.
the files, click OK. Okay. I selected all the files. You can select one file also, you can select two files also, you can select n number of files. Okay. Now please pay attention, leave your system, just see what I'm saying, what I'm asking and saying, and then we'll do this thing n number of times. That's perfectly fine. Second thing which we need to do is, this is talking about display words. Now, what are display words? Display word is, software is confirming us how many frequent words you want to see as output. You want to see 1,000 most frequently used words. Let's suppose I want to see only top 50 most frequent words. I'm not worried about 1,000. Okay, that's fine. Now it is asking with minimum word length, character length. कितनी length होनी चाहिए एक word की? आप ध्यान से सुनिए. Word like THE, word like AND, word like IS, word like BUT. So ये जो word हैं, ये conjectures हैं, they don't have any literal meaning. Yes or no? So these words are always suggested to be removed from the complete document so that we can see what is the real content. So I'll change length to 4. So any word which is having length less than 4 characters will be out of my analysis, right? Now hold this thing grouping for a minute. Click on run query. I clicked on run query. The moment you click on run query, here you have a tabular representation of a frequency distribution of all the words, not all, the top 50 words having minimum length character of 4 in front of you. Advertising has been used 106 times with weighted percentage of 4.04. So you can arrange it with length also or weighted percentage. Just can you see this word advertisements, advertisement, advertising? Don't you think these words are same? They are making almost similar meaning, but they are occupying the space of your top 50 contenders. To deal with this issue, we go to grouping. Okay, before I go to grouping, guys, are you guys with me till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone is able to create a frequency table?
Yes, sir.
Are we
Yes.
able to
Yes,
create a
sir.
frequency table, frequency chart? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now we can easily see word like advertisements cutting into my space. So what should I do? I should take this particular button to next level. Just see. In our first, it is saying exact match. Every single word will be treated as a unique identity. Second is with stemmed word. Stemmed word like talk, talking, talkative will be taken as one single word, talk. Right? Third is synonyms. If I want to club all the synonyms all together. Next is specialization and generalization. Suggested is to go with stemmed word, but if you have long conversation, then go with synonyms. So when I'm clicking on stemmed word, let me also increase the number of entries so you'll be able to see it in the right manner. And now I click on run query. Now just see. Advertising is now representing advertise, advertised, advertisement, advertisements, advertiser. This particular word is now representing Market is representing market, marketeer, and marketing. Consumers is now representing consumer, consumers, and consuming. Don't you think this is a better way of representation? This will help you in increasing, giving space to more frequent use word. A quick yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys able to
Yes,
do
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Are we on the same page, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I have a small problem.
Yes, just wait.
Yeah.
Let me unshare my screen. Yeah. Yes, sir. Who's having a problem? Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Sir, what happens in case there is some spelling mistake or typing mistake when they're answering?
So that one need to. That's why I suggested yesterday to always go for a master's pass student who's good in language for transcribing.
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right. So coming back to the screen.
Sir, one more query,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, is it support for multi languages, sir?
I'll come to
Hindi,
that.
Bengali, and Telugu.
I'm coming to this.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, I have another concern. I'm using
Yeah.
the software on Mac. I could not see that function of group here.
Mac people, Mac, you have collaborate, ma'am. If you can share the screen, I can help you out. But please hold this thing. Mac interface is a bit different. If you can share your screen, so I can help you in. The name is again grouping.
Grouping, I could not see. Sorry, I'm actually I've logged in through the phone and I'm using it on my laptop.
If it is possible for you to log in with your system, I will be happy to help you, ma'am.
I'll just try it. Sorry.
Not to worry, I'll share the screen. I'll share the screenshots for the same, which will help you for the same.
Sure.
Okay. Anything else, guys? Should I proceed further? All right. I'm sharing my screen again. I hope I'm not going too fast. Everyone is able to connect whatever we are doing. All right. So here's my screen. Just scroll down to this particular screen, guys. You might see a word is also. And this particular word might not have any relevance to the discussion. Agreed? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Similarly, you might see any other word also, like. The word is like. Again, none of our use. So what should we do? How to remove these words? When we reach this stage, the concept of data cleaning comes into the picture. That we should clean our data. Okay, what are the steps to clean our data? Here are the steps, guys. First of all, we need to do the data. I'll be sharing this PPT with everyone in the WhatsApp group. So please be with us so that it will help you understand the things. So first of all, remove all the numeric characters which are not of any use, any significance in your document. Second, remove special characters. Special characters क्या होते हैं? @ exclamation, right? If these type of characters which are not required, please remove it. Third is to define stop words, and fourth is to have case uniformity. Case uniformity is या तो पूरा का पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट कैपिटल लेटर में हो या पूरा का पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट स्मॉल लेटर्स में हो. Now problem is what is this stop words? Okay. Now coming back to the screen. Okay. Just please pay attention on the screen for a minute. Click on File. Go to Project Properties. Is this dialog box visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. just follow my mouse, guys. Follow my cursor. Here we have a small button with the name of stop words. And
Yes.
we have language also. So someone was asking about language. Sir and ma'am, the language supported by this particular software: Chinese, English, UK, French, German, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, and others. No as such others. You need to stick to these particular language only. Right? But if you are dealing with Hindi or some other language, there are few steps, few tests which you can do with, you can apply with. I've done something with Sanskrit also here. All right. Click on word stop words. This is a very tiny small box, guys. And I'm not able.
Dialog box, sir?
Sorry.
How did you get this dialog box?
Okay, I'll
There's a
do it
very
again.
severe network problem here. So
I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. No, we should not run. I mean, let's one per person to speak so that
thank you.
we'll click on files. Click on project properties. Trust me, guys. There are few tests you can apply with any of the language, Sanskrit or Hindi. Last year I was in some Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya for some workshop. So we did something on Malayalam and Sanskrit also. Then you click on this stop word. A very tiny box, pop-up dialog box pops up, and just see a, about, above, after, again, against, all, am, he, she, it, may. There are n number of words which are there, which are already predefined in our directory, that they will not be analyzed, or that they will not be considered for analysis. Right? If I want to add certain more words, I need to only type, just like word like also. मैंने यहाँ पे also लिख दिया, तो क्लिक किया, ओके, अप्लाई किया, ओके किया. अब रन कोई करता हूं तो देखना also नहीं आएगा. देखिए also has gone somewhere. या तो आप प्रोजेक्ट प्रॉपर्टीज में जाके वहां पे वर्ड को स्पेसिफाई कर दीजिए. There is one. अदर वे इज, आपको एक टेबल मिल गया है. शॉर्टकट इज, वर्ड को ढूंढिए. जैसे ये वर्ड लिखा लाइक, राइट क्लिक कीजिए, राइट क्लिक करने के बाद क्या करना है, लास्ट ऑप्शन देखिए क्या लिखा हुआ है,
Add to stop words.
That's it. Click on add to stop word list. So like और likely दोनों चले गए आपके stop word में. रन क्वेरी कीजिए. अब आपके पास ना like है, ना likely है, ना also है. अब still नहीं चाहिए मुझे, add to stop word list. still भी चला जाएगा. तो इस तरह से जो वर्ड आपको नहीं चाहिए, अगर आपको सिर्फ सिंगल अभी एक टेस्ट के लिए नहीं चाहिए, तो आप यहां से ऐड कर लीजिए. और अगर आपको पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं चाहिए तो प्रोजेक्ट प्रॉपर्टीज में जाके ऐड कर लीजिए. आई होप आई एम क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
एवरीवन, अगर कोई वर्ड आपको रिमूव करना है तो क्या करेंगे, फाइल प्रॉपर्टी में जाएंगे, प्रोजेक्ट प्रॉपर्टी में जाएंगे, वहां से जाके डिलीट कर देंगे. अब यहाँ पे ढूंढो ऑल्सो कहाँ लिखा हुआ है. अब आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा ऑल्सो कहाँ लिखा हुआ है. स्टिल कहाँ लिखा हुआ है, ये रहा स्टिल. स्टिल तो मिल गया. अब स्टिल को डिलीट कर दीजिए, ओके क्लिक कर दीजिए. ऑल्सो ये रहा, ऑल्सो मिल गया, इसको डिलीट कर दीजिए, ओके कर दिया. तो दोबारा करेंगे तो ऑल्सो सिलाना चाहिए. देखिए ऑल्सो आ गया. Are you guys with me till now? If you're using synonyms, अगर मैं इसको synonym पे ड्रैग कर लाऊं और रन क्वेरी करूं तो देखिए आपको ये synonyms को भी साथ में ले लेगा. तो बिजनेस को बिजनेसेस, बिजनेस, जॉब और ऑक्यूपाई को ले लिया इसने, कंपनी, कंपनी, पार्टी, सोसाइटी को, इस तरह से अकॉर्डिंग टू यूएस डिक्शनरी इट विल टेक. Now, just for 2 seconds, please leave your cursor and mouse. Pay attention on the screen, guys. There's something really important I'm going to share with you. Can you see my mouse hovering somewhere? Is my mouse hovering is visible?
Yes,
On
sir.
the right,
Yes,
right,
please. Yes, please. Yes.
right hand, on the right hand screen, there is summary and there is word cloud. Simply click on word cloud. Give this software a minute and just see. The hottest selling thing in the market is on your screen after a few seconds. For content analysis, this is a pictorial representation which is a must to share in a research paper or dissertation while doing this sort of analysis.
Sir, a small question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is there any place where the step-by-step method is available? Means so many steps are there and so useful the software is. So any step-by-step.
I'll share you my videos, sir. Those videos you will find step-by-step things.
Right, sir. You got channels on YouTube also, sir?
Nothing, just a channel, not a channel. I just floated 4-5 videos like this so that one can recall and recognize.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. No, during this discussion, we missed upon a very important and beautiful part. So just look at the pictorial representation of complete conversation in front of you. This is a must thing to be presented in your research papers or whatever way you want to present. You have many ways to present it.
Sir, one small question regarding this.
Yes, sir.
Sir, when we do systematic literature review or say narrative literature review, and if we only want to do this word map through the abstract of the articles and not anything else, can we do it?
Yes, sir. Why not? Let's show you examples, sir. I'm going one by one. Doing a word map of abstract is one of the things that people are doing these days. So just enjoy the beauty first, and let's see.
Thank you, sir.
I'll share you a Scopus paper, ABDCA category right away and B category and C category. Simply right click, export to word cloud or copy, save it. Click on summary, simply right click, export to Excel file, then save it. And I was talking about paper. So this person has compared Domino's, Kellogg's, and Pepsi, 3 brands. And what were the word cloud? What was the word frequency chart? Can you draw this table now? Can you draw this table now, guys? A quick yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अभी तो बनाया हमने यहाँ पे. Explore में गए, word frequency में गए, and run. If we can create this table, we can also create these word clouds. So what I'm sharing is, I'm sharing directly from the paper, guys. It's a printed published material. The question is, what does this mean? How to interpret this? Why the word in center? Why is more broader significance?
It tells the frequency, sir.
Frequency and strength.
The weighted average you are saying.
Exactly. Are you guys with me? Is everyone able to draw this? Are you guys able to draw this? A quick yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, just see, अगर आपके पास कोई स्पीच है, मन की बात, लेट्स सपोज, आपके पास कोई इलेक्शन कैंपेन की स्पीच है, आपके पास कोई इंटरव्यू है, आपके पास कोई वीडियो है जिसको आपने ट्रांसक्राइब कर लिया, कोई पिक्चर है आपको ट्रांसक्राइब कर लिया, आपके पास डिस्कशन है, आपके पास रिसर्च पेपर है, just import it and draw a word cloud of it. You'll be able to see what are the most discussed area among this particular paper or manuscript. Does this make sense?
Yes, sir.
Someone has asked about abstract. What you need to do is copy all the abstract on one MS Word page. Import that page. You need to copy all the abstract on a single page. You import that page, you import that particular page and do whatever you want to do. You're free to do that.
So is 50 words a good enough number, sir?
100. Go with 100 at least.
100 should be a good.
Because we are playing with grouping also, na? The grouping में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We'll be going to synonyms or generalize. So वहाँ पे clubbing हो जाएगा. Clubbing will include many other things also.
True. Okay, thank you.
So let me share you a category paper on the screen right away. I'll just show you how they have created. Here you have. I'm sharing the A category paper right away. Sheena, I'm sure I'll be sharing that paper B category. अभी आपसे बात हो रहा था जो paper discuss किया शायद वो share नहीं हुआ है अभी. This is how they've created. And it's an A category paper, guys. Right? So I'll quickly ask you to create one to draw one word cloud before we proceed further. Everyone, please draw one word cloud before we proceed further.
Sir, how to save it, sir? How to save it?
How to save it? Okay, I'll share my words again. I'm sharing my screen again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see my screen? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Simply right click, copy कर लीजिए इसको.
Okay.
कॉपी करने के बाद MS वर्ड में जाइए, MS पेंट में जाइए. आपको वर्ड में करना है वर्ड में कीजिए, पेंट में करना है पेंट में कीजिए. पेंट में आके पेस्ट कर दीजिए. Here you have. तो आपको ब्यूटीफाई करना है तो सिलेक्ट करके और उसको.
That means we can copy and paste in Word file, sir.
I am doing it for you right away.
Yes.
सेव कर लेते हैं इसको 1 2 3 के नाम से so that we'll be able to recognize it where we have. ठीक है डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर और ये 1 2 3 डेस्कटॉप. So you have the file with you.
Okay.
And just have Word open कीजिए. You have.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Please go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead.
Sir, can we limit the number of words in the word cloud also?
Yes, ma'am. Whatever number you decide for that particular table, it will be only reflecting that word only.
Means if I want first 50 words as per the frequency.
Yes, definitely, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I hope I'm not going too fast.
Yes, sir.
So can you share the references of the papers you are saying?
Ma'am, sir, I've already shared the complete papers. Definitely, yes, I'll redo again.
Right, sir.
No, this last one, this one about the A paper.
Already shared, sir. I'll redo again. I'll put all the papers in WhatsApp again, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Should we proceed further? Are we good to go?
Yes, sir.
All right. Second thing, which is quite common in which reviewers do ask, when I came across in various papers of mine, which is right now under review, how these words are connected with each other. I've shown these are the words. How a particular word is connected to other word. What was stemming done? So go to explore. Click on text search. I'll repeat, guys. go to explore, click on text search. So let's suppose I'm typing here online. I want to understand how a particular word online is being used in this conversation, where it has been used, in which context it has been used, with which all phrases it has been used, कहाँ कहाँ कैसे कैसे यूज हुआ है. मैंने लिखा वर्ड ऑनलाइन, अब मुझे बताना पड़ेगा कौन सी फाइल में देखना है. तो मैं चाहता हूँ सारी फाइल में देखो यार, मुझे मतलब ही नहीं है कि एक फाइल में देखना है, या मैं चाहता हूँ सिर्फ खुशी की फाइल में देखना, खुशी ने ऑनलाइन को कैसे कैसे यूज किया है. क्लिक ओके एंड रन क्वेरी. देखिए, here you have it. हमने 5 लोगों को इंटरव्यू लिया और उन 5 लोगों के इंटरव्यू में से कोई ऐसा कुछ कॉन्टेक्स्ट था, कोई कीवर्ड था, मैं समझना चाहता हूं कि उस इंसान ने वो पर्टिकुलर एक वर्ड किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट या कहां यूज किया है, कैसे कैसे यूज किया है. एंड हियर यू हैव. So as this discussion is all about online advertisement, so this word is used maximum with online advertising only. So online ad, online advertisement, online के बाद क्या है, online के पहले क्या है, and obviously every question was question number 2, 3. अभी मैंने data clean नहीं किया guys. I have used same files. I have not cleaned the data. Right? So you can easily see what type of results we are getting. So we can see how this particular respondent has used word online कैसे use किया. अगर मैं advertising use करता हूँ word, let me use this word advertising. Display use करता हूँ. Display कैसे use किया है? Display किस context में use किया है? देखिए run query. देखिए display सिर्फ एक ही context में use हुआ है. Paid, social to online, display advertising. तो डिस्प्ले एडवर्टाइजिंग यूज हुआ है पेड एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया. राइट? I request you guys to please do it once on your system before we proceed further. Go to explore. Go to explore. Once you go to explore, then go to text search. Click up, give the word which you want to search, and then select the file in which document you want to search.
Sir, can we select all or one single?
Yes. Any number of documents you want to search.
Okay. So then select all or clear. Okay.
And then figure out. Let's suppose आप कोई स्पीच को एनालाइज कर रहे हैं, तो आप देखना चाहते हैं उस स्पीच में हमने वर्ड शांति को कितनी बार यूज किया है, कहाँ यूज किया है, हमने वर्ड लिटरेसी को कहाँ यूज किया है, and then you can easily see in which all context that particular word has been used. One of to explore text search. You set online. Let me put online. Selected file, let me select this time Rajat. Okay, run query. Just see my mouse hovering, just see my cursor hovering right into the screen. Click on word tree, now you'll see this thing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, are we good now? May I proceed further, guys?
Yes.
All right, good. Okay, so now second thing which comes into the picture is coding. We are done with content analysis. Now we are proceeding toward context analysis. Between content and context, the major thing which comes into the picture is creation of codes, right? What are these codes now? Codes are the anchor point around which complete discussion was taking place. So what will be the codes in this context? इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कोड्स क्या क्या होंगे? इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कोड होगा एंटरटेनमेंट, बिकॉज वी हैव आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन अबाउट एंटरटेनमेंट, credibility, product information, good for economy, and online ads and purchase intention also. These were the 5 questions. So these are the 5 key anchor points around which complete conversation took place, right? So what we will do, please pay attention on the screen. I'll give you ample time to practice. In the blue portion of the screen, just see you have codes. Codes. Here you have codes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is able to locate it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So right click this code. Right click on the code and click on new code. Right click and click on new codes. The moment you click on new codes, there's again dialog box where you will give the name. So first name I will give ENT, entertainment. Click OK. Now I'll create another new code. The name of credibility, cred. Okay. I am creating another code which is good for economy. Okay. Another code was, और क्या था code? Entertainment, credibility, अच्छा, product information, online ad. Now we are talking about product information. Click OK, and last one is
Online.
online ad and purchase intention. Let's suppose online. Hope you remember the responses. If not, I'll change the responses again. So these were the responses. If I click on files, you will be able to see the files. So these were the responses. Question number 1 was talking about online ad purchase intention. So someone has given this much of text. Second is audio visual, this much of text. So now all these 6 people, all these 6 respondents have said something about all the 5 questions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I have given my questionnaire to these 6 people, these 6 respondents, and they have given responses on all 5 questions. Now, what I need to do is, I need to collate and collect all the responses at single point. जैसे आप SPSS में एक होता है डेटा व्यू, एक होता है वेरिएबल व्यू. In variable view, what you have? All the questions. In data view, you have all the data entries in context to that question. Is this okay? Are we good with that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. Similarly, here, I will go to codes. Now, I have credibility 1 question and I have 5 or 6 responses for this answer. Yes or no? So what I will do, I will go to credibility. I will select the text of credibility and drag it to, ध्यान से देखिए guys, drag it to credibility.
Okay.
So ये वाला टेक्स्ट किसकी बात कर रहा है? क्रेडिबिलिटी की. तो मैंने इसको क्रेडिबिलिटी से लिंक कर दिया. अब ये वाला टेक्स्ट जो है इंफॉर्मेटिव के बारे, इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में बात कर रहा है. तो मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ इसको कहाँ इंफॉर्मेशन, प्रोडक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन कर दिया कनेक्ट. अब ध्यान से देखिएगा इस ऑडियो विजुअल एंटरटेनमेंट. अब एंटरटेनमेंट के बारे में ये बात कर रहा है परचेज इंटेंशन के बारे में. परचेज इंटेंशन कहाँ गई? ये नहीं, ऑनलाइन परचेज इंटेंशंस. और लास्ट वन वाज गुड फॉर इकोनॉमी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने उठा के इसको गुड फॉर इकोनॉमी से कनेक्ट कर दिया. राइट? अब ध्यान से देखिएगा इस हर एक कोड के साथ एक फाइल अटैच है 11111 और हर एक कोड के साथ एक एक रेफरेंस है. रेफरेंस मींस द चंक ऑफ टेक्स्ट where it is connected with. If I double click on entertainment, देखिए अगर entertainment में डबल क्लिक करता हूं, so entertainment जो है खुशी के साथ, फाइल खुशी के साथ कनेक्टेड है और सिर्फ इतना ही डेटा है उसके अंदर अभी. Right? So similarly, what we need to do is we need to connect all the responses to the codes. अब इसका प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ इंप्लीमेंटेशन क्या है? आप सपोज फाइनेंस के हैं, आपको अपने रिपोर्ट्स जो फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स होती है उसको एनालाइज करना है. तो कुछ मत कीजिए, सारी फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स को इंपोर्ट कीजिए और किस किस पैरामीटर में एनालाइज करना है. लाइक सपोज सीएसआर के पैरामीटर पे एनालाइज करना है तो एक कोड बना दीजिए सीएसआर. एक लेट सपोज एम्प्लॉय डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर आपको एनालाइज करना है तो दूसरा कोड बना दीजिए एम्प्लॉय डेवलपमेंट और फाइल ओपन कीजिए. आपके सामने फाइल ओपन हो जाएगी. सिलेक्ट एंड कनेक्ट, सिलेक्ट एंड कनेक्ट, सिलेक्ट एंड कनेक्ट. सो आप जितने भी पैरामीटर्स के ऊपर एनालिसिस करना चाहते हैं उन सबको ऐसे कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं, कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इज दिस फाइन? इज दिस फाइन? आप सभी लगता है मुझे कनेक्ट करना शुरू कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा. सो मैं सेकंड फाइल ओपन कर ली. अब ये परचेज रिलेशन की बात कर रहा सेकंड फाइल. अब ध्यान से देखिएगा, जैसे ही मैं इसको कनेक्ट करूंगा ऑनलाइन के साथ, मेरा यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, 2 फाइल और 2 रेफरेंस. यस और नो? आर यू गाइस विद मी?
Yeah.
एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर एक क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, जब आप एसपीएस की बात करते हैं और लेट्स सपोज आपने एक सामने वाले से 10 क्वेश्चन पूछे, यू आस्क 10 क्वेश्चंस एंड यू ओनली हैव 9 रिस्पॉन्सेज, एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया, तो आप क्या करते हैं? यू पुट 0 देयर और यू रिमूव दैट और नल वैल्यू. हाउ टू डील विद दैट इशू? या फिर आप एवरेज लेके डाल देते हैं?
मिसिंग डेटा सर.
मिसिंग डेटा से यू रिमूव दैट ऑप्शन. तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यहाँ रिस्पॉन्सेज 10 मिलने वाले हैं, 15 मिलने वाले हैं, 20 मिलने वाले हैं. अब मिसिंग डेटा में अगर आपने एक भी रिमूव कर दिया तो यू गोना लूज वन ऑफ योर रिस्पोंडेंट्स.
इसमें एवरेज करते हैं सर.
बट इसमें एवरेज नहीं कर सकते ना सर. उसने क्रेडिबिलिटी की बात की है, एंटरटेनमेंट की बात की है, प्रोडक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन की बात नहीं की. तो हाउ वी कैन गेट इनटू दैट? In qualitative data, no response is also a response. How? Let's suppose you ask these questions to me and I say, I am reserving my comments upon this. No comments. Next question, please. So this shows that you are not interested or not comfortable in answering the question. Right? So this is a response for that particular question. So here no response is also a response. You cannot leave one particular aspect in between. Right? Okay. So I request you guys to please quickly connect your all the responses to the codes.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, can we apply this code command on a single file also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Why not?
Okay.
Okay. I am changing my headphones, guys. In the meantime, I request everyone to please connect these 5 code to 6 questions. It will take a minute to change me, and you can always connect back.
ఇంకోటి రాలేదా?
Sir, may I ask a query? Hello?
Ma'am, wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
So am I audible line? I'm audible, guys?
Yes,
A
sir.
quick yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it better now from previous one?
Yes, sir.
So I hope everyone is done with the thing.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes, ma'am, please go ahead.
Like suppose now we are having 6 surveys and we have we have coded everything. Now suppose if I forget that I have done Khushi's, I know I have completed Khushi's, I have 6 files, but if I again select Khushi's file, will it show me that I have already coded this, something like that?
Yes. If you code multiple times, you can also check how many times you've coded or if you want to recode it or whatever you want to change, you can do easily change.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ठीक है, I'll just show you. What about if you wrongly coded? What if I've done some wrong coding? Then how to do it? Okay, I'll do quickly so that I can play with all the files. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm not connecting every value. Let's suppose कुछ लोगों ने सारे आंसर्स नहीं दिए, तब क्या होगा? I just want to show you. I want to show you that thing. If in case सब लोगों ने सभी आंसर्स नहीं दिए हैं, किसी ने कोई आंसर दिया है, राइट? तो मैं आपको वो दिखाना चाहता हूँ. गाइस, प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है इन वर्कशॉप्स में? जब भी विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू पीपल आई हैव अटेंडेड द वर्कशॉप्स, maximum of us plays with the clean data. और रियल टाइम डेटा क्लीन डेटा नहीं होता है, ये आप समझिए इस बात को. मैं जो डेटा आपको दिखा रहा हूँ ये यहाँ पे अनक्लीन और गार्बेज डेटा है, क्लीन डेटा नहीं है. द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस, आई कुड हैव आल्सो प्लेड विद द क्लीन डेटा. क्लीन डेटा से खेल के बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट निकाल देता मैं, और जब आप अपने डेटा से काम करने लगते आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलते. एंड देन यू कुड हैव सेड कि सर ने तो कुछ और करवाया था, रिजल्ट कुछ और आ रहे हैं. ये हमारे साथ भी होता था जब हम लोग इसे वर्कशॉप अटेंड करते थे. मैं आप लोगों के सामने ही काम कर रहा हूँ, सो दैट आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन द रॉ डेटा, so that you should see what type of issues you will face while doing any type of work, right? I hope everyone has done the coding part. Everyone has done the coding part, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Substantially done.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So I'm randomly doing this thing. I'm not doing all the connectivities, so that one should understand what is the reality of the things. All right. Now, go to files, select all the files, go to classification, file, select all the files you want to club together in a single project, go to classification and click on new file classification. I'm giving it name as demo. Click OK. The moment I click demo, अब आप देख रहे हैं क्लासिफिकेशन में लिखा आ रहा है डेमो, और यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी डेमो बन के आ गया है एक, राइट? और जैसे ही मैं डेमो पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ वो दिखा रहा है कि इस डेमो के अंदर क्या क्या फाइल्स है. राइट, नाउ राइट क्लिक ऑन डेमो and click on new attribute.
Sir, will you please repeat the earlier step again?
Sure. What I did was I selected all the files, right click and click on classification, click new file classification and give the name of the file classification. Is okay?
Yes.
Is this fine with everyone? Please do this thing. Hope everyone has done the same. Hope everyone has done the same.
Yes, sir.
Good.
No, I'm unable to do. Can you please share your screen and go a bit slow? I just got the files. So we select all the files, including question and survey.
Yes, exactly. I'm repeating the steps. So, okay.
Close your screen. So
sir, this my screen is visible, sir?
it's coming up now. Yes.
Yeah, is my screen visible? Yes. So what we can do is select those files you want to put in a single set and you want to do certain operations on it, right? So what I did was I selected all the files, right click on classification, click on classification and new file classification, right? Now the classification I create demo, right click on this, new attribute. Now every respondent would have certain attribute also. Khushi would have certain gender. Now click on value, gender would be male, add female. Click OK. Again, right click on demo, click on new attribute. Second would be designation. Designation क्या क्या हो सकती है? Let's suppose कोई रिसर्च स्कॉलर है, कोई फैकल्टी है, कोई स्टूडेंट है. Click OK. Let's add one more attribute, education qualification. Values. Someone would be PhD, someone would be MPhil और मास्टर्स कर देते हैं. UG है और नो स्कूल कर देते हैं, बिलो 12th कर देते हैं. Okay. Likewise, in the quantitative study, there would always be someone, some type of person having their demographic profiles also, right? Now, by double clicking on demo, you will see the table in front of you. You need to assign the value Khushi, gender, female. Designation, let's give her research scholar. If she is a research scholar, so definitely she would have been master's pass. Mitushi, again female. Let's suppose she is faculty and she might be doctorate also. Prakhar, a male, a student. That's about undergraduate. Rajat, male, faculty. किसी अब सर्वे वन नाम नहीं है किसी का. Someone is not disclosing the identity. What to do? Unassigned. Not applicable तो होगा नहीं. Gender तो applicable होगा ही होगा. So not assigned. So not is unassigned. Again, let's faculty. And this faculty is again master PhD. So Twinkle, a female, a student, below 12, right? So now we have given the demographic profiles to the demographic attributes to all the respondents, right? So please do this before we proceed further. Please do this before we proceed further. Any one of you facing any issue, please help me. Please let me know. I'll be helping you out there.
This is a new case classification or attributes?
New
How do
case-
we?
So I guess you guys, all the steps. What we're supposed to do is go to files,
Yes.
select all the files, right
Yes.
click, classification, new case classification, give
case
the name. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
And when you have new case classification, the name which you've just given will be popping up here under file classification. Right click on the classification, give the attributes. Once you give the attribute, you can give the name. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Sir, in my case, this demo is not appearing in the under file classification.
Okay, just wait. I'm stop sharing my screen. You please share your screen. I'll be happy to help you out.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please share your screen. I just unshare my screen.
Yes, sir. I think this is the one, sir.
Yeah, this is the demo we are talking about.
Yeah. So now I can click on demo. Okay.
Demo, right
And
click, new ad. Yes.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Quickly, then what we will do, we'll do this thing. When we want to do this thing, just like in your spaces, you do cross tabulation. Here also we do cross tabulation, purchase intention, about online purchase intention. Similarly, out of these three females, one is student, one is faculty, one is a research scholar, and the student has not commented upon entertainment value and online intentions. So here you can give permutation combination out of three females. Students are not commenting upon the entertainment values. Or vice versa, if you want to understand who all has commented upon the entertainment value. So you can, because reading out all the interviews will not be possible for anyone and everyone. And to study single phenomena, it will be a very difficult task. From here, you can directly see who all.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Your son Mesha came to house or not? Yeah.
Sir, someone is talking in between. I request host to mute him.
Acha. But Charan.
Yeah, thank you. So from here, you can easily see which particular aspect one is talking about. And the beauty lies here. When you double click, what that male faculty is talking about entertainment, just I'll repeat it. I want to understand male faculty who was talking about entertainment. What was that? What was that chunk of information? Simply double click on it and it will take you the complete chunk of information. This is what is being said by a male faculty member on the entertainment value of entertainment part of online ad. Hope this makes sense to everyone. Hope this makes sense to everyone.
Yes, sir.
All right. I request everyone to please create all the codes, create code classification, create attributes, and try to play with cross tabulation. Secondly, play with this thing, what you say, word cloud and online search. Tomorrow we will be doing thematic analysis, sentiment analysis, and Twitter-based analysis, which is known as social media analysis.
Sir, can you also take up 10 minutes demonstration of how to do systematic literature review using N-vivo? Nowadays, this is being used quite often.
Systematic literature review requires a good time. Definitely, yes. I'll talk about systematic literature
No, I'm
review.
saying, sir, I'm saying SLR using N-vivo or a review using N-vivo. Only 5-10 minutes if you can share.
Sure.
This will be beneficial for the whole community. 72 participants are there.
Definitely, yes. As per time permits, I will definitely would like to speak on this for sure. That's not an issue.
Thank you, sir.
Right. The only concern which lies with me is this workshop is in office hours for 1 hour 30 minutes only. So वो office hours के बीच में थोड़ा सा that's what event, but definitely I will have word on this for sure.
Thank you, sir.
Any questions still now for this thing? Any questions for the day? Should we call it for the day, guys?
Sir, we need today class video. I mean, video recording. We can practice it. If possible.
Sir, there is a problem with me. If I give you the video, then you will not practice at all. You will not, and you will try to drag what is next. Trust me, tomorrow at this time I'll be sharing the video links. You will be able to understand what is going and how to do this. Please try to play with this software. This is a beautiful software, and all the steps are pretty easy. And even I was not too fast to skip anything. If it is being asked to repeat, I repeat it like twice, whatever time it is. I'm still there to help you out.
Sir, any options for people using Mac?
Ma'am, I need to have that screen. I'll definitely help you out. I'm using Windows. For Mac, ma'am, I'll give you a link. I'll give you a video.
Sure.
I'll post the Mac links in the WhatsApp group only. Relax.
Sure, sir. Thank you. I appreciate.
Actually, this software requires good time to work upon. So fine, whatever time we have.
Sir, just to give a small information for the benefit of everyone.
Yeah.
So today in our institution, we had a presentation by Numerical Analytics who are selling N-vivo, Pan India and other nearby SAARC countries.
Yes.
And they specifically said that the software is having a lot of limitations on Mac.
Yeah.
So,
yes. Numerical Analytics has sponsored me this software, and I am their key resource for practical in India and South Asia.
Great, sir.
So Tehjeeb would be there. Tehjeeb would have been given some.
Yes, sir. He was there. Sir.
Yeah. So which institution are you from?
I'm from OP Jindal, sir.
I was supposed to be in OP Jindal on 30th of November. Tehjeeb has given my CV to you guys. I don't know what didn't work out. I was supposed to be there on 30th of December at your place. Sumit sir, are you in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. I am there, sir.
So let's connect over a call after this particular class.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. That's good.
Thank you so much, sir. And I guess the takeaway mantra is the closing lines of sir, where he said, play with the software. So I suggest all the participants to become user-friendly, play with the software. And I'm sure you'll be on cloud 9. Most of you would have been by making the word cloud, the frequency tables and the coding and other things. So I think by tomorrow, all of you will be able to use N-vivo. And when we see the screens getting shared wherein you are practicing, it really feels good that the purpose of the FDP is achieved. A big thanks on behalf of the participants and the organizing team to Dr. Sahil Gupta. We wish you all a happy learning, and tomorrow we meet at the same time.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
All right, take care, everyone. I enjoy it.
Thank you, sir. There's a form which is being circulated on the chat box. Kindly use it to fill in the attendance. Also, we'll be sharing all the materials to the participants regarding whatever regarding the session and the recording only towards the end of 6 days, towards the end of 7 days, and that you'll be getting through the registered mail IDs. All right. So thank you so much. We give it a close. Thanks to one and all.